English garden. Bring the world to you all. Simple past tense. The simple past is a verb tense which is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. The simple past is also frequently used to talk about past habits and generalizations. What do we use the simple past tense for? Use 1. Completed action in the past. We use the simple past tense to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. Sometimes, the speaker may not actually mention the specific time, but they do have one specific time in mind. For examples, did you have dinner last night? I saw a movie yesterday. He didn't wash his car. Use 2. A series of completed actions. We use the simple past to list a series of completed actions in the past. These actions happen first, second, third, fourth, and so on. For examples, I finished work, walked to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. Did you add flour, pour in the milk, and then add the eggs? Use 3. Duration in the past. The simple past can be used with a duration which starts and stops in the past. A duration is a longer action often indicated by expressions such as for 2 years, for 5 minutes, all day, all year, etc. For examples, I lived in Brazil for 2 years. They did not stay at the party the entire time. How long did you wait for them? Use 4. Habits in the past. The simple past can also be used to describe a habit which stopped in the past. It can have the same meaning as used to. To make it clear that we are talking about a habit, we often add expressions such as always, often, usually, never, when I was a child, when I was younger, etc. For examples, I studied English when I was a child. He didn't play the piano. Did you swim in the sea guitar when you were a kid? Use 5. Past facts or generalizations. The simple past can also be used to describe past facts or generalizations which are no longer true. As in use the fourth above, this use of the simple past is quite similar to the expression used to. For examples, she was shy as a child, but now she is very outgoing. He didn't like tomatoes before. Did you live in Vietnam when you were a kid? Formation. Using the verb to be in the simple past tense. Positive form. Subject plus to be. Was were plus. I. He. She. It. Was. In the garden. We. You. They. Were. In the garden. Negative form. Subject plus to be. Was were plus not plus. I. He. She. It. Was not. Or wasn't. In the garden. We. You. They. Were not. Or weren't. In the garden. Question form. Was. Were plus subject plus. Was. I. He. She. It. In the garden. Were. We. You. They. In the garden. Simple past tense. Ordinary verbs. Affirmative. Structure. Subject plus verb to or verb ed plus. Verb to or verb ed is simple past tense verbs. Irregular, irregular. For example, I went to the stadium yesterday. We visited Australia last summer. Negative. Structure. S plus did not plus verb, infinitive. Note. Did not equals didn't. For example, they didn't accept our offer. She did not open the computer. Interrogative. Yes, no question. Structure. Did plus S plus verb, infinitive. Answer. Yes, subject plus did. No, S plus didn't. For example, Did you bring her the package? Yes, I did. Did Cristiano play for Manchester United? No, he didn't. Interrogative. WH question. Structure. WH word plus did or didn't plus subject plus verb, infinitive. For example, what did you do last Sunday? Why didn't she leave? Thanks for watching.